Alrighty everybody, welcome to another weather video here on Liam's Weather. I am your meteorologist named Kenny. Happy Thursday everybody. I hope everybody's having an amazing week. Today is not the best day. It's rainy, it's soggy, it's just a very dreary day, and because of that, and the reason behind that is because of all these frontal boundaries basically lined up across the whole entire eastern coast. That stationary frontal boundary is bringing a lot of rain to portions of New England, and then these frontal boundaries right here are bringing in a lot of rain to the Carolinas along with Tropical Depression Mindy. Some of you might be thinking right now, wait, there's a tropical depression just off of our coastline? Yes, there is, okay? If anybody can remember a couple of days ago when I was talking about Invest 91L, that managed to work its way into the northern Gulf Coast over the last couple of days, and right before the center of the area of low pressure went over the panhandle of Florida yesterday, about 35 to 45 minutes right before the center went over Florida, it actually became Tropical Storm Mindy, brought a lot of rain to the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, and also southeastern Georgia, and brought a lot of rain today to portions of the Carolinas. Really, anything east of the I-95 corridor saw all that rain. However, it'll continue to push offshore because of these frontal boundaries really in the way of everything. And continuing to talk about the tropics, here's a current look at our threats right now. Once again, there is a Tropical Depression Mindy just off the coastline of South Carolina. Hurricane Larry is now a Category 1 hurricane sitting just off the coastline of Bermuda. And let me tell you, as Larry continues to work its way northward, this system could be a major threat, major snow threat to Greenland. Okay, I'll tell you why coming up in just a couple of minutes. And then also we have a brand new area of low pressure sitting really in the middle of the Caribbean right now. It really doesn't have any name. It only has about a 20% chance of developing over the next 5 days. So long story short, is no threat to the United States at all. And the last but not least, we have a brand new wave that has just come off the coast of Africa. Has about a 60% chance of developing over the next 5 days. At this point in time, it is not an invest. However, if it develops anywhere, it's going to be somewhere in this general area. But long story short, at this point in time, is no threat to the United States at all. All right. Here is Hurricane Larry. Here's the latest enhanced satellite imagery of Hurricane Larry. There's still a lot of very big thunderstorms on this western side. The eye wall really has dissipated over the last several hours. There's still a lot of thunderstorms along this side, but really the system is definitely becoming not as well defined as it has been over its lifetime. All right. As it continues northeast, it will stay a hurricane until about tomorrow morning, and then eventually, as it gets closer to Greenland, it will eventually just dissipate and really not be any threat to this general area at all. All right. Now take a look at this. As soon as we head into Saturday and Monday, Hurricane Larry becomes now a massive snowstorm for Greenland. All right. Here's the cold front on the backside of it going all the way into the northeastern Atlantic. But look at all of this on this northwestern side. Look at all of this snow forming in that general area in Greenland. Okay, and because of that, we can easily be seeing up to 3 to 5 feet of snow in this general area. Usually for hurricanes, they're like tropical storms. They bring a lot of rain and wind. This system could be a massive blizzard dumping 3 to 5 feet of snow in eastern Greenland. That's just absolutely incredible in my mind, all right? Closer to home, here's a look at Tropical Depression Mindy. There's the center. It's still trying to stay somewhat, intact because it's, battling a lot of wind shear and also those frontal boundaries. It really can develop, at this point in time. We're starting to see a lot of the shower action work its way out of South Carolina and into North Carolina. Now the center is going to continue to push off eastward, and then eventually really become no more threat to the United States at all. And as you can see by our setup right here, because of all these frontal boundaries to our west, that's what's going to be pushing it offshore. So as soon as these frontal boundaries really work its way in place, Mindy can't go anywhere except for in this general area. And you can see by our forecast right here, everything is pushing it offshore. So long story short, as soon as we can get done with all the rain today, it is going to be an absolutely gorgeous weekend, and the next couple of gorgeous days is going to be absolutely gorgeous. All right, so taking a look at our weekend now, key takeaways: absolutely gorgeous weekend ahead, plenty of sunshine with afternoon temperatures in the 80s, overnight lows in the mid 60s. Here's a look at Saturday. Once again, plenty of sunshine, a 0% chance of rain, topping out at 83 in the afternoon, dropping down into 64 at nighttime. And as you head into Sunday, still another gorgeous day, plenty of sunshine, overnight lows in the 60s and highs in the afternoon in the 70s. Once again, a 0% chance of rain. And taking a look at our 5-day forecast, still absolutely gorgeous, no rain in the forecast at all. Temperatures in the afternoon warming up into the low to mid 80s, overnight lows in the high 60s to low 70s. All right, so once again, absolutely gorgeous weather coming our way as soon as we can get Mindy out of here, alright? Please be sure to visit my website above at www.liamsweather.org. Here's my social media: Facebook at Liam Kenny, Instagram at Liam's Weather, and last but not least, Twitter at Liam's Weather 621. Alright, so that is basically it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great rest of your Thursday.